again. I've grabbed another paper on the way back from work. It's the City AM, Tuesday 27th of February. I've got not much battery and not much memory, so I'm going to do it real quick if I can, or not. Let's see how we go. Right, let's go. Water at boiling temperature with the steam, I think. Steam. For Marco floor, 3 down, next to 9, next to, alongside, and 8 across, delayed, late. 5 down, spider snare, web. 5 across, joint between the arm and the hand, wrist. 7 down, excessively nasally in speech. Twang, maybe 6 down, not well, ill. 9 down, discolored, tarnished, ARNISHAED. 21 across, revised, amend, edit. 20 down, French word for wine, vin. 23 across, dryad. We'll come back to that. 19 down, wild animals, hidden home, den. 22 across, natural depression in the surface of the land. Basin. 18 down, doubtful factors, ifs and buts. 15 down, headscarf worn by Muslim women, hijab, J-A-B, basin. 17 across, French term used to express a keen enjoyment of living, 425, 425, joie de vivre, what? French spelling is difficult. 15 across, Greek god of the sun. Thought that was Apollo, maybe that's Roman. 2 down, relating to those 13 or 19 years old, teenage. Hair, oh, this is familiar. I know this Greek god of the sun. Hair, it's not Heracles, hair. Alright, it'll come to me. 12 across, sudden, very loud noise, bang, bang. Let's go back alongside. Helios, there it is. Alongside. Joie, that must be a O-D-E-V-I-V-R-E, I think. V-R-E. English crossword, but we've got French words in there. Don't know what that's about, but it's all good. 10 across, objects were associated with things worth recalling. Memorables, M-E-M-O-R-A-B-L. Memorabilia, maybe. Memorabilia. Okay, 9 down, discolored. Alright, let's go with tarnished. 13 across, Asian spice, beginning with N. Nutmeg, N-U-T. 11 down, moral soundness. Okay. That would make that twang, so yeah, let's go with nutmeg. 7 down, excessively nasal in speech, twang. 14 down, image boost, ego trip. 11 down again. I think I need to spell this across somewhere so I can see what it looks like. I something, T something, T. Moral soundness. 16 across, prison. I think that's jail with an old spelling with a G. G-A-O-L. So the G, the T. G. Integrity. N-T-G. Yes, moral soundness, integrity. So go with go. T-Y. So, dryad, nymph, that's what it is. Y-M-P-H. And that's it, crossword done. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Battery did last. Wow.